Faith moves mountains, but you have to keep pushing while you are praying.
Hi you guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you have not already, we're going to pause right now and you guys already know what to do. Pause. Okay, now that everyone is subscribed, today I am bringing you guys a BOOHOO haul. You guys, this BOOHOO haul is very feminine, very girly. It's all dresses. And I absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys my honest review. We're gonna go through each dress and I'm gonna tell you guys my honest opinion. Because of course, this is not a paid promotion or whatever. Even if it was, I'm gonna be real with you guys. But anyway, so it's been a while since I did a BOOHOO haul, so I'm so excited. So I'm just not gonna blab on about this. I'm just gonna go ahead on and get started. So I'm gonna start with, of course I've already opened it because I have tried these pieces on and recorded the other part of my video. Okay, you guys, so this right here is, oh gosh, I didn't know I pulled this one out first. Anyway, so this one is, oh, you guys, okay. This dress, okay, I'm gonna put it to you like this. If I had to be reincarnated and they said, okay, Towanda, pick which clothing piece that you want to come back as, this would be the dress. You guys, I mean, me holding it up doesn't do any justice, so make sure you look in the corner for me modeling this dress. You guys, I absolutely love it. Now, it's stretchy, and it's like this slinky fabric. Now, I would say if I had one complaint about this dress, is it did show my dimples in the back. And you guys, I promise you, I changed waist trainers, I changed girdles, fajas, and it still showed it. So I may have to even get me a thicker girdle for this dress because that's how much I love this dress. But what is so fabulous about this dress is all of that gathering around the waist and the hips. It just brings your waist in, it accentuates your waist, and then it has the split coming up the front. You can't even see it, can you? And then it has the split. Well, I thought it had a split. Oh, it does. And then it has a split coming up the front in the middle. Now this dress here, everything is going to be a US 12 or US 14. If you United Kingdom, it'll be a United Kingdom 16. Love this dress. It's sexy. The V-cut is super sexy. I love the feel of it. Like I said, if it was one thing that I could change, it would be, gosh, why won't it cover up my dimples? Why? But anyway, super fabulous dress. I love it. I love the long sleeves. Like I said, I think out of the whole haul, this is like my favorite. Literally, I think this is my favorite. Love this kind of champagne color. It's just, where am I going to wear it? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Where am I going to wear this dress to? Because it's so gorgeous. Okay, you guys. So I'm going to move on to the next dress. Now, this dress right here is, I absolutely love the color of this dress. As you can see, it's this green color, this dark green. I love it. But it's too stretchy. Like, you know how a fabric can be so stretchy it doesn't hold you in at all? It's so stretchy. And you're going to see when I have it on the corner, it's just extremely stretchy. Like, I really could have went down a size. This is a US 12 also, and it's a mid-knee dress. It comes to your knee. Like I said, I love the color of the dress, and I love the style of the dress because it's a mid-knee dress. But it's just, the fabric, it's just not my favorite because I like fabric that's a little bit thicker because it holds you in when it's a little bit thicker. And this is just so stretchy that everything is just going to show. This part of it is really, really loose. You can't see it as much until I pull it, how loose it truly is. And it's just a simple dress. And this fabric is kind of thin. See, like when you get, I don't know if you can see it, but see, you can kind of see through a little bit. The fabric is kind of thin. So, I mean, I like it, but I don't know, you guys. So if you want it, I'm probably going to put it on my Poshmark and sell it. I'm not sure if I want to keep this one. Like I said, I love the color, but I'm just not so. And in the summertime, I guess you could wear this thinner fabric. But like I said, when it's something extra stretchy, I really don't care for it too much. I like something with more of like a whole to it. So when it stretches, it's still like a firmness to it. You know, kind of like a girdle or a faja that kind of just kind of hold in. I'm a curvy girl, you know, I'm thick. I have hips and I have thighs, and I want something to kind of hold it in place. I don't want it so stretchy. It's like, you know. But other than that, I do love the color of it. If you don't have as much as me, like as far as just all these thighs and hips, I think you probably would like it better. And I would definitely say size down. Now, I probably would like maybe the 10 better on me, but I should have sized down. I think maybe I would like it a little bit better. Not sure. Okay, so right here, I love this. This is like a pastel pink. I love this one. Now, this one actually has a stretch too, but it's not as stretchy as the green. So this one is a thinner fabric as well, but I like the feel better than I did the green one. I love this high neck. I think the high neck is really, really sexy. It's light colored, so it does kind of show my waist train. As you can see in the corner, it's going to show a little bit of my waist train and probably some of my faja. But it is, like I said, it is a little thicker than the green one. It's actually also a US 12. I just love this color. It's like a nude, light pink, beigey color. I thought it looked good up against my complexion. And I'm really into neutrals, so this was just like so pretty to me. You know, I can always put like a cardigan on top of this if I wanted to. Or I could put a little short denim jacket if I want to dress it down some, and some sandals, you know, just depending on where you're going. Or you could just go all out and be like, I have arrived, and put you some pointed toe high heels, some strappy high heels, and just really, really serve, you know, for the day. But I love this one. I do. I like it. Now, the only thing about this material and the green material, like I said, it's slinkier. So it will show your dimples. I'm going to be honest with you. So you're probably going to see it in my video on me. But if you have dimples or cellulite, it does show it. I think this one maybe showed it. Well, the green one probably showed it less because it's dark. So this one probably shows it more. But that one only did it less because of the color of it, you know. But like I said, it's going to show it. So, and you know what, I was just, this is just short. I'm not going to be long. I was listening to some talk show about cellulite and dimples. And basically they're saying it's like really no cure for it. You can get creams and you can do things that kind of diminish it to make it look not so noticeable, you know, for the dimples not to be so deep or not to look so big or not to be so noticeable. And you know, they were saying one of the main things to do is to exercise, and I have started by exercising, so I kind of reduce, you know, the appearance of them. But goes to show, not fair, is it? Okay, so you guys, when I saw this dress, I thought I got to have this dress. This dress came in black and white, and you guys, I'm a sucker for, let me just button it because it's unbuttoned while I tried it on. But I'm a sucker for feathers, lace, anything like that. So when I saw it, I was like, this is so fabulous. I almost felt like I was on, you know how you be on Broadway and you have those Broadway shows or whatever. I thought about this dress when I saw it. How did I do this? Okay, so I'm buttoning it wrong. But I don't know which way I'm supposed to go. Okay. I'm having a hard time, y'all. Okay, here it goes. Okay, so it's double-breasted. It's a blazer dress. Now, a lot of times I don't order blazer dresses because they're normally shorter. I normally don't really like short dresses on myself. I like kind of maybe mid-knee dresses, pencil dresses. But this one was just so fabulous, I just had to order it. When you're doing the blazer dresses, I would suggest going up a size because you have to have room enough to cross over. So I fell in love with the feathers on the bottom. I thought it was just extra fancy and I just loved it. This is a lot shorter than the dresses I normally wear. I love the fact that it was double-breasted and it's long sleeve. And I love the collar around it. And another plus it has is it has pockets. And I thought that was just super cute, super stylish. This is just definitely like a party dress. You're definitely gonna make a statement with this. But I would definitely say when you're going with blazer dresses, you do look boxed off, and I feel like I look square shaped. That's the only thing about blazer dresses. Another thing about blazer dresses I really don't like, and I normally don't get blazer dresses because of that. So you can, I'm definitely probably gonna add a belt in the middle of this just to cinch my waist in some. But other than that, it's a fabulous dress. It's kind of short, normally shorter than what I normally would wear. So I'm probably definitely going to add like some maybe fishnet stockings or some type of pantyhose, maybe with a line down the back or something like that. because I just normally don't wear things. Normally, I just don't wear the shorter dresses. So anyway, it's really cute and stylish, and it's really unique, and that's what really caught my eye. So I do love it. If you like a good blazer dress, this one here is pretty fabulous. So you're gonna love it. I can't even get it back in the bag, so I'm just gonna lay it up here. Okay, you guys, so let's move on to the next item. Okay, so you guys, this right here is a long. Once I got this dress, I'm gonna put a picture of the model with this dress on also, because the illusion that I got when I first saw this dress was I didn't know this fabric was this thick like this. So this fabric is kind of like a stretchy fabric, but it does have a hole to it, but I just don't feel like the dress can fall the way it needs to fall with this type of fabric. So I thought it was more like a loose flowing fabric. It's like a long dress and it has a slit up the side. Once I received it, it reminds me of more of like a bridesmaid dress. It's off the shoulders, and I love the way it's made around the neck because it has like, you see how it's like crisscross, and then it has like the gathers. So I like that part of it because it brings your waist in. I like the fact that it ties in the back. But honestly, I think I probably needed a size bigger in this because it's just not, I don't think, flattering on me. This is a US 12. If I would have known it was made out of this kind of fabric, I definitely would have gotten a US 14 because I feel like it's just so fitted on me. It's just not looking the way it should. And like I said, when I looked at it on the model, I just felt like the fabric was more flowy and kind of loose fitting. And this right here is just like hugging me, like a pencil leg skirt will hug me. And I just feel like a dress like this needs to be a little bit more loose, and it's just, everything is just so tight. But you know, I don't know. Some of them may like this dress. It's just not my favorite. So I may actually send this one back. You guys tell me what you think. I'm going to have it on in the corner, or I may even sell it on my Poshmark. Because sometimes I don't send things back only because I just don't like the hassle of sending things back. I know it's just me. I'm weird like that. But like I said, I just thought the fabric was different. And when you look at it on the mannequin, tell me what you think. Not the mannequin, the model. Tell me what you think. Because looking at it on her, it just didn't seem like the fabric was this kind of like stretch fabric. Something like, I feel like this fabric should have been on like these mid-knee dresses. The ones that was really flimsy. That's what I think. But it's a pretty peachy color. Pretty spring color. Okay, you guys. So I did end up 2 blazer dresses. Like, I don't know how I did that because I never, ever order blazer dresses. But I did end up with 2. Which is so funny because I never order blazer dresses. But you guys, I must say, I'm in love with this white one. I thought I was in love with the black one, but I'm really in love with this white one. Now, as you can see in the corner with me having it on, it is too short for me to wear as a dress. But what I like about this one, I think, versus better than the black one, is that it makes my waist. Did I get some on this already? That's the only thing about white. White picks up everything. Oh, that's feathers from the black. So anyway, this one kind of has the button detailing going to one side. I'm going to go close so you can see. So instead of double breast, it has the buttons going to one side, which gives the illusion that my waist is smaller. So this one doesn't look as boxy as the other one. And I fell in love with the lace at the bottom of this. I thought it was just so feminine, so girly, and it's all white. And they actually have it in black too, but I'm trying to get away from so much black. And I love the fact that it's long sleeve, and then at the end of the sleeves, the lace comes out of the sleeve. So like, I'm definitely gonna wear this as like a blazer, like seriously a blazer, and maybe put like some fox leather skinny leg pants or something on with it, or play around with it. But I do plan on keeping this one. I love the collar. I love the style. It's white, it's so pretty. And like, I love the lace embellishments, and I love the way it's angled at the bottom, how it kind of comes in. You'll see when I have it on. So I'm really liking this one. It's just a little, it's just too short for me to wear it as a dress. I just can't. When I turn around the back, you guys, you'll see it's like right underneath my booty. So like, if I bend over, you would see everything. I'm just, no, I'm not gonna do it. I can't do it. But anyway, as far as me keeping it as a blazer, I am going to wear it as a blazer, and I'm going to find something to go at the bottom. Like I said, I may get some maybe fox leather black fox leather skinny leg pants. I think that would be super cute with it up against this white, the whole black and white. Maybe add like some red shoes. It's like a pop of color. And you guys, I can't wait to style these pieces because I'm thinking about all kind of ideas in my head. I can even see the black fox leather pants with like maybe hot pink strappy shoes and this blazer. But anyway, you guys, so I'm definitely going to be doing outfit of the day, and I'm going to style these outfits, and I'm just going to have a lot of fun with them. But yeah, I love this one. So this one I'm definitely keeping. Love the lace. I'm telling you, when something has lace on it, it just attracts me instantly. So, you know, overall, I like the haul. I had two pieces that's questionable about whether or not I'm gonna keep, especially the long maxi dress with the slit in the front. I don't think I'm gonna keep that one, and I don't think I'm gonna keep the green, the extra stretchy green dress, even though I love the color, unless I maybe send it back and try a smaller size and see how I like it. But you guys just tell me what you think about the haul. Make sure you leave me comments down below. Which piece was your favorite? What do you think? The ones I should keep and the ones I should send back. I love you guys' input. I had so much fun with this haul. It's all dresses. It's very feminine, girly. I love the colors. I'm really into like neutrals. So I loved all the colors. I did. Love, love, love the colors. And I'm going to leave the links down below just in case you guys want to purchase one of these items. And I just really appreciate each and every last one of you. If you have not subscribed, do so now. Give me a big like if you enjoyed this video. And you guys make sure to go over to my other channel. I'm going to list it down below. And make sure you subscribe to my new channel where I'm going to be reacting to videos. Can't wait to get started with it. I'm so excited about it. It'll be something kind of different than my normal fashion videos. And I love you, my YouTube family, so much. And thank you guys for watching.